This is lesson 4-4, compound inequalities.
Let's discuss what compound inequalities are. They are two or more solution sets put together to form one big solution set. Compound inequalities can take two forms. They can be of conjunction or disjunction. Think of your English classes with conjunction and disjunction because it will kind of tie it in when you're dealing with the math on this one. Before you graph any conjunction or disjunction, you must solve both of the inequalities involved separately. Graphing a conjunction is a mathematical statement where the two inequalities satisfy the solution set satisfies both inequalities. The graph of a conjunction will look like a barbell or weight bar. Conjunctions can take two forms. We can use the word and, or we can put the variable in the middle of two inequality signs. Example as such below. Both of those conjunctions are the exact same thing. A disjunction is where the solution set satisfies one inequality or the other. It can satisfy both, but typically just one or the other. The graph of a disjunction can look one of two ways: arrows that run in opposite directions, or roads that run alongside of one another. Disjunctions only have one form and they always use the word or. As shown below. Let's do some examples. Pause the video at this point to give yourself a chance to try the examples on your own. Let's take a look at the left side. I'm going to solve both inequalities. On the left one, I add 2 to both sides to get m is less than -6. On the right one, I multiply by 8 on both sides to get m is greater than 8. I set up my number line going up by 2's. I have open circles at both -6 and 8, and I have arrows going in their appropriate directions. M is less than -6, so I'm going down from -6. M is greater than 8, so I'm going up from 8. Let's take a look at the right side. The first thing I need to do is separate them so that I can solve them individually. I then subtract 9 on both sides, both times. On the left one, I get -10 is less than n, and on the right side, I get n is less than 8. I'm going to set up my inequality. I'm going to set up my bar, my number line, so that I go up by 2's, and n is greater than -10, so I'm going towards the right. N is less than 8, so I'm going towards the left with that. And that's where I get the barbell, or weight bar. If you have any questions, please make sure you consult your teacher in class.